Alright, so you remember on the last video I told you I already had one of these. Probably about 18 months ago at least. But then we got the Coolbank grey version, so we're going to try and fly both of these together. What can go wrong? Do you know what can go wrong? What can go wrong is that I didn't bring a battery with me.
Ah, so. Rookie error.
Amateur.
So that looked like that was good fun to fly then, Finn.
Yeah, it's flying really well.
So the two jets are identical, aren't they? Just different colour schemes?
Yeah, they are.
And what are they? What jets?
I think I might be wrong, SU-35s I think.
Correct, I think, yeah.
Quite cool though. Look, we can have flashing or the mark.
Oh.
I'm gonna have mine probably flashing. That looks quite cool.
They quite a nice tune, don't they, when you power up?
Lovely tune.
Yeah. It's like the old 90s ringtone.
It's working. Good go.
Ah.
All right, Finn.
Yeah,
come on then.
All right, welcome to the danger zone.
Yeah, we need some of that music.
Oh, we're off.
Make sure
Okay. This is going to be a nightmare to film, I think, but we'll see. Got two planes in shot.
I can fly them close over here.
I'm currently
Good.
No.
That's really good going, actually. You guys are doing a good job.
turning in. Ooh.
That practice has paid off.
That was good. Come on, what are you going all the way on there for?
I'll drop it down.
Right, let's
Way
go to
down.
the lead plane. I'll follow the lead plane and then the other
That's
plane
me.
try and come in shot. So Dom's the lead plane.
Flowing it up.
I don't know
Where
where.
are you going, Finn? Come on.
Right, here we go. Alright, we've got two. Yeah, alright, try and stick together. Right turn, Finn. Good, nice and close.
Can't wait to run.
Oh, mid-air. You can't get closer than that.
No.
It made a cool noise, didn't it?
Yeah.
That's why push is always quite good for formation, because you can't really have the props don't really hit each other unless you kind of stack on top of each other.
Considering how small those are, that was quite a good effort actually.
And turn.
I wonder if it prop. See how close and that. These are quite good fun, aren't they? They're not serious.
Who needs a zoom?
That was so good.
Oh, my heart.
Almost took out Dom as well. Turn! Okay, I'm going to turn way far out now. I don't want to hit.
Yeah, that's the rules.
Catch each other's or catch.
No, catch your own, I would suggest.
Yeah, if you catch the other one, you won't have control of yours. There we go. Oh.
I'm going to have to get it back up so I can catch it.
Go round again. I'll go round again.
Oh, the battery hatch is open. I need to get this down there. I'll
Stand back here.
Alright, what could go wrong? Here we go. Oh, nearly, Finn.
almost.
Yeah. Let's see if Dom can do it. Oh.
It's mine, man! You stole it! Oh, no! It's going over your head. God, you catch the prop caught your hand.
It did.
There you go.
There.
Right.
Right, here we go. Dom's going in for the catch.
Hopefully he can catch it a little bit better than me attempting to catch his own. They do fly really well, I have to say.
Whoa. One more flight.
Right, here we go. done, you did it.
The master!
I can't actually catch.
That was a good effort.
Yeah,
That looked like loads of fun.
a lot of fun.
Apart from when you hit the prop.
The only thing with these is, it would be nice to just have a milder version of expert mode, because the throws are so wild, and on the 6G mode, you don't quite have enough control, do you?
Yeah, you kind of just turn like that.
It
It just
does-
kind of goes like that in a
Doesn't
straight
quite
line.
turn enough, but still a lot of fun to fly.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching this Essential RC flight test. The link for these in the video description and a pinned comment if you want to look them up. They fly forever, 15-20 minutes, and they're pretty durable, I have to say. I mean, I have had a chunk taken out of the leading edge of one of the wings, but a bit of filler, that'll be as good as new.
Yeah, there you go.
Thanks everybody, see you soon, bye, adios.
Adios. Oh, you beat me to it. Yeah, I really thought I was going to be able to catch yours there, Dom.
No,
Now
you've got to go again. Come on, you've got to have a go.
Yeah, you've got to
try and
catch it.
Yeah, it looks like I have ketchup all over my fingers now.
Or do you want to try catching mine? Well, never grab a moving prop. There's a lesson there.
I can see what you mean about the rate. You know, I might just put the remote down and try to catch it.
Oh no.
Yeah, do that.
Oh. Just good
Did you
job it's
think-
got a gyro.
Doesn't fly it for you. Come on, Finn. No.
Oh.
No! Fumbled!
I didn't slow it down. I might give it another go.
Close the battery hatch.
I keep opening.
It's got to click shut.
I can't. I need to catch it. And maybe I should like hover at it.
Yeah, maybe.
Bit high alpha, yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Oh,
no.
you
Did
need-
your dad teach you how to catch?
No. Barely.
I'll fly that. You catch this one then. I'll fly it and
No,
you
just
catch
make sure you shut off the prop.
it. I'll go full throttle.
Yeah, straight in the groin.
I can probably do it two hands. One hand I can't catch anything. Can't even catch a basket. That's like the most catchable shit.
Stop talking, concentrate.
Very intense. Just make sure you cut the power like a second before it gets.
Here it comes. Yeah.
I mean, Dad's feet catched it. I mean,
You have to move. You got to move. What's going on? Yeah, I think we're a few repairs are needed now. Cut, cut, cut.